Your CVT doesn't fail overnight. It sends warnings first. Most drivers ignore them. Then one day, the car won't move. Today, I'm showing you the 5 hidden signs your CVT is dying and how to stop it before it costs you a full transmission swap. Let's get into it. If you drive a Nissan Note, an X-Trail, or any modern automatic with a CVT, this video matters to you. CVT transmissions are common in Kenya now, and they fail differently than the old automatics, so the warning signs look different. Sign 1. Shuddering at low speed. This feels like driving over rumble strips. It usually happens between 15 and 30 kilometers h. The car vibrates through the pedals and the seat. This is the pulley and belt system struggling to hold tension. On a Nissan Note, this is often the first sign owners notice. And most people blame the engine mounts. They're wrong. It's the transmission fluid breaking down internally. Sign 2. A whining or humming noise that changes with speed, not engine noise. It rises and falls smoothly as you accelerate, almost like a jet engine winding up. This means the pulleys inside the CVT are wearing unevenly. Metal is grinding against metal at a microscopic level. Left alone, this turns into a full pulley replacement. That's one of the most expensive CVT repairs there is. Sign 3. Delayed engagement. You shift into drive, nothing happens for a second or two, then the car jerks forward. This is dangerous in Nairobi traffic, especially at junctions. It means fluid pressure inside the transmission is dropping, usually from old, degraded fluid or a failing valve body. This is one of the cheapest signs to fix if you catch it early. Sign 5. RPM surging without matching acceleration. You press the pedal, the engine revs up like it's slipping in neutral. Then the car catches up a second later. This is classic CVT belt slip. It means the belt can't grip the pulleys properly anymore. On older notes and wing roads with high mileage, this is very common, and it's usually the final warning before complete failure. Now, how do you save it? First, use CVT specific fluid only, never regular ATF. This is the single biggest mistake I see in Kenyan workshops. Second, change the fluid every 40,000 kilometers, not 100,000. Tropical heat and stop-start traffic age CVT fluid faster than manufacturer estimates from cooler climates. Third, avoid towing or overloading. CVTs handle heat and strain worse than traditional gearboxes. Fourth, if you notice any of these 5 signs, get a fluid pressure test immediately, not a generic diagnostic scan. A pressure test tells us what's actually happening inside the transmission. Catch these signs early, and a CVT can last well past 200,000 kilometers. Ignore them, and you're looking at a transmission replacement costing more than the car's resale value. If your car is doing any of these 5 things, don't wait. Get it checked. Drop a comment telling me which sign your car is showing right now. And subscribe for more real diagnostics from the shop floor.